Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's watching TV. I just got something at Lowe today and it got delivered, free delivery. And I just wanted to do an unboxing, but I got so excited I opened it up and realized I forgot to film it. So I got the EGO Power Cleaning 2100 PSI Pressure Washer. Tool only. Did not come with the battery. It did not come with the battery. And that's okay because I have two batteries already. I just gotta remember if I'm gonna do a job, I just can't mow the lawn, blow the leaves, and use something else and then come back and try to use the power washer because I will not have enough juice. So the batteries are over here. Let me show you where the batteries are at over here. That's my big one to my lawnmower, and that's for my blower and my weed eater. But they're interchangeable, but I'm not sure if this will fit in the power wash. I have to check because it is a little bit larger, but it has the same connections, but I'll see. Here it goes right here. It's very small, which is nice. And EGO has a nice look to it. I really like their look. And it was well packaged together. I mean, all this plus another piece was just protection. And this small piece right here, that was all protection. And that was in this box. So you don't have to worry about it being damaged unless the box is damaged. And that's the sprayer, nice and small. That's what I like. And then look how fancy it looks. And that's the nozzle for the sprayer. That's the hose. I like that they keep all the color consistent. And that's the water hose. This goes to the nozzle, and this goes, I think, to the hose. I'm not sure, 100% sure. This piece, which I almost bought separate, I'm glad I didn't. Just put some cleaner in there, and you can shoot out some Dawn liquid soap or whatever you have. So that's nice. Pretty well made too. It's not like it's cheap plastic. Looks like there's a filter there, and I'm not sure what that is. So I'll have to see different spray nozzles maybe. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's the tip. Cool. And comes with directions and parts and all that good stuff. In a nice bag, so you can keep it. And I'm going to keep this box so I can use it for storage because they're very sturdy box. That's all the components. And it comes with, to tie up all the hoses. It comes with these little straps right here. Let's see if the battery fits in there. Let me see. With both batteries fits in there. Can you see that? Yeah. Let's try the small one first. Small ones are definitely going to fit in there. I'm going to get one more battery. One more big one, one more small one. I think that would be, oh yeah, that's the small one. So this one takes the big one. Okay, how do you take, okay. These batteries are not cheap. Yeah. Did you see how it went in there? Yeah. Cool. These batteries are really nice. Yes, nice. And this is going to be good around the house. If you need something really powerful, more than 21 PSIs, then you want to get the bigger version of this. So they do have it, but with batteries, it's like $700. Without batteries, you could probably get it for $600 something. And this is all I need. Clean up the house, clean up the decks, clean the RV, clean the car, and power wash the fence to clean it out. And the cement and all that when it starts getting a little dirty. So cool. It pops right on out, so it's very easy. Look at that. Pull that green part down, it comes out. So it's really easy. If you wasn't just using this, you just want to use the sprayer, you connect that to it. And that goes on here. Alright, makes it simple. You could change the spray nozzle spray. One's like stream, I guess, and the other one might be something else, spray or something like this. I was looking for the how to plug it in, and I realized duh, is a battery operated one. So that's all I really need to get started. Alright, I'm gonna take it and take it over and spray wash the deck a little bit. I'm not going to do the whole deck. I just want to show you how it works. There's Charlie. Charlie, how you doing, buddy? How you doing? How you doing? Hi. Come on. He knows I'm the alpha male. He don't mess with me. There's Bentley over there. Hi, Bentley. Bentley's like, what are you doing? He wants to go in. I'll let you in because I need for you guys to go. And there's Charlie. And there they go. They're in, babe.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you.
Say hello.
Love you.
Not love them, love me.
I know, I just said love you.
Well, say hello to them.
Hello, people.
Alrighty. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Gotta pull some weeds. Yep. Gotta clean the bottom. The water is fairly clean though. It really is. I might have to invest in a nice vacuum. The vacuum I got is from Walmart last year and it worked good, but it can't climb up this incline, so it stays up here for a second and then it comes down and then it stays down there. Ooh, that's our new air conditioning. Nice.
I see the stars, they shimmer bright. It's just you and me, feeling so right. The water's cool under the moon's glow. Baby, let's dive deep and let our love flow.
That's 3 speeds.
Whispers in the night, our hearts in sync. Together we can take on the world,
2,
don't you think?
and 3.
So let's take a nightly dip in the pool, underneath the stars like we're young and cool. No worries, no cares, just you and me free in this shimmering water. It's where we're meant to be. The night is ours, let's make a splash. Your lips on mine, it happens so fast. In this moment, nothing else matters. Just the rhythm of our hearts, the sound of our laughter. Hold me close, don't let me go. This love, baby, is all we need to know.
Alright, there you have it. The EGO Pressure Wash, I think it's called. I'll put all the information up right here so you guys can see it. I'm not affiliated with Lowe, I just wanted to show you what I bought. and it's very light, even with the battery, the heavy battery in it. It's very light, and it's portable. So, I mean, if I wanted to take it with and wash my RV at the RV site, some don't allow you to do that, so make sure you read the rules and the regulations. But some do, so you go over there, you can wash your vehicle. And as you can see on the pavement, it was dark right here, and took that blackness out, so that was nice. I didn't take much effort, definitely not. So that's one thing I'm going to do, is go around and power wash the deck, and maybe go around the edging of the pool, but with a light spray. You don't want to take the vinyl off. And that's about it. So yeah, I like it, and it looks good too. So if you have any questions, comment down below, and without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.